guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new here, we're gonna have to deal with the fact that my hair's frizzy. I'm probably a bit shiny because it's very hot outside. Today it's a Zara haul and I hope you're gonna like this. As with all of these hauls, I'm gonna try them on. Don't know what they look like. They could look horrendous, they could look really nice. You guys are gonna comment below and tell me what you like, what's hot and what's not, and everything will be linked underneath. Just click show more. So get cozy, get ready, let's haul. So first things first, I got this little blouse top. To be honest, I don't know why I ordered this because this is not a very me colour. And I don't actually know if I like the colour. It's the black that I feel doesn't go. I think it needs to be on like a white backdrop. I do like how floaty it is. And I do like that it's kind of silky, and I do like a crop top in summer, but not like tight crop tops. I like a crop top that's kind of still a bit baggy and a bit free rather than being restrictive. So I popped it with this skirt that I bought the other day. I'll link this below as well, just because I think a crop top with a skirt is really nice for the summer weather. Although I actually think this top would look nice with a black skirt without having like a lot more dark colours in it. But I can imagine myself in Bali with this, maybe wearing bikini bottoms rather than a skirt. The Sugar Plum Fairy. So I saw this online and I was like, this is either going to be insane or horrendous. I don't know. I like the colour of it. I like the little meshiness, but this is just a bit odd, isn't it? You can actually take this off, but this is the bit that I liked about it. It feels like it's on the wrong shoulder. I feel like it needs to be on this shoulder, and then it might be a bit less obtrusive, but right now just feels a little bit obtrusive. What do you guys think? I feel like it's just kind of like a devil on my shoulder being like, have some more tequila. I popped it with these shoes that I got the other day. If you've seen any of my recent hauls, you will know they are my shoe of this summer. I am obsessed with them. Yes, they're not from Zara, but they are super comfortable and possibly the most affordable shoe ever. Yeah, super affordable. So yeah, popped it with this little fairy dress. Love the dress, love the colour. The bow ain't for me, I'm afraid. Next up, this little floral blouse. How cute is this? I mean, it's naked. Look, wait. Behind the bow is breasticles. But you can't see it because it's covered up. But I would hate to have a nip slip in this or for it to come undone, but it's not going to happen because it has like a little button here. What I would say is if you are scared of it, just pop like a little bandeau under it or a nice like lacy bra. I think this is cute. Popped it with a denim skirt that has been in my life for pretty much ever because it's a summer hero and goes with everything. And this little bag that, oh, I just love it. Felt like the denim skirt and the floral just needed something in a bag to just kind of, you know, smooth it out. I love it. I feel like if my boyfriend saw it, he'd be like, it's really floral, you look like a grandma, a trendy grandma. Wouldn't like it, but we don't dress for boys, do we, ladies? We dress for ourselves. I think this is really cute. This is a bow that I can get on board with. Stop trying to make puff sleeves happen. It's not gonna happen. I saw this on the site and I think the Zara website is very weird. It's very editorial and I'm always like, this is gonna look horrendous or really nice. And I really want to make this work, but I just don't think I suit puff sleeves. I feel like I look like a birthday cake and not a delicious one at that. So I popped a swimsuit underneath this because it definitely needed something underneath it, but again, you could definitely put like a boob tube bandeau. And then I bought this skirt the other day, which I honestly love, and I popped it with this because I am a fan of the all white look. Popped it with this little bag that I've had for ages because I feel like you needed a bit of neutral with the white. With the shoes, obviously, I actually think the skirt is way nicer. This top is just, I don't know, it has all the makings of a nice top, but I think you've got to be a certain type of cool Vogue style person to pull off puffy sleeves, and I'm sorry, I just don't think I'm that person. Let me know what you think, guys, but I don't think this is too flattering on me. But the skirt, I'll take that. Next up, by the way, guys, behind the scenes, oh my gosh, I just got stuck in a dress, a Zara dress, like a long floaty dress, which you're not going to be seeing in this video. I literally got stuck in it because it's so hot and I had to call my mum to drag me out of it. Then my earring got stuck. I genuinely thought I was going to die. Over dramatic, but you know when you're really claustrophobic and you're in a dress and you're like, oh, someone cut me out of this. That happened. But now I'm in this, which I'm pleased to say is light and floaty, kind of like a tiered wedding cake, but this is a delicious tiered wedding cake. I love it. I love the straps, nice and light, one shoulder here and then a light one here. I'm still a bit flustered from being stuck in a dress, so I'm honestly so grateful to be comfortable and floaty right now. Popped it with my new little wedges. I just think this is a perfect kind of evening dress on holiday in Spain, having some sangria, Or you could definitely actually just wear this in the UK with like a denim jacket. Not that you need one right now, but if you did, wherever you are, I think it's a nice little versatile dress. I definitely wear this as a day dress to meetings. Finally, something without puffy sleeves. So, true story. I went to Ibiza recently and a girl wore this in white and she looked insane, and I was like, where's your dress from? She said Zara. I typed it in online. It was there in my size. What did I do? I went and grabbed a burger, had a shot of something, didn't order it. Moral of the story, guys, if you like something, order it straight away, because the next morning it had gone, the morning after it had gone, it's gone. So I ordered the polka dot version instead. I have to say I like it, but I prefer the all white version. I feel like a bride walking away from a husband that she's divorced, just being like, bye. Bye. That's what it was like. It was like a sexy, well, it's this dress, this cowly, silky little number in white, and it's like something you should wear to a wedding. But I love the fact that I'm rebelling because I'm not married, I'm not getting married, and I just love it, so I really wanted that. And that's story time with me. But I think it fits nice, it's comfortable, it's smooth, I'm not overheating, I don't feel claustrophobic, although this ain't actually a Zara haul, this is a comedy sketch, because my hair is getting frizzier every single time I put a new outfit on, so I'm sorry about that, guys. Popped it with the little wedges, which I'm obsessed with, and I just think it's an easy, nice dress to wear. As soon as I put this top on, I was like, I feel like a boho dad at Wilderness Festival. If you guys haven't been to Wilderness Festival before, it's great, and it's basically just full of like bankers who just turn into their wildest, freest, bohemian selves, and I feel like this just reminds me of it. Really enjoyed the top. Popped it on with the skirt, because the skirt deserves a bit more love, and the shoes. I just love like floaty blouses. It's actually super lightweight, even though it has the sleeves. See what I mean about puff sleeves? This isn't too puffy. Also, side note, I forgot to say, the last dress that I tried on, I have found so many cheaper dupes on different websites, so I'll do a little linkage below of the other ones I found. So if you are after one of those in more of a neutral colour, don't worry, I have got you, I've found them. So I really like this dress. I think it's the perfect kind of city exploring dress in summer. Maybe you're in Barcelona, maybe you are in London. I mean, you should probably have a bikini on underneath as well. Pop it with my trusty little bag. If you are in the market for a Gucci mom one, I don't know if you guys saw, but I did an updated video kind of reviewing it, so I'll link that below as well. But yeah, I'm just obsessed. These wedges, I'm loving the kind of like materials this summer. It's kind of like woolly materials. I just love anything boho, so this passes for me. Last but certainly not least, I feel like Sandy from Greece. I do love a boiler suit, I'm massively into it. This definitely isn't high summer, this is definitely more something you would wear on the colder days or the evenings, but I'm actually really impressed with how this fits. I feel like some jumpsuits don't fit as nicely, but I think this is really nice. It's super high quality, there is so much denim. I feel like I just rolled out of a denim factory, popped it with these little flat forms. One of those things that, again, Matt would be like, flat form? What is that? I don't know if I like them. I don't know if they suit me or if they're just a bit weird, but I want to make them happen, and I thought this was a perfect outfit to wear them with, because personally I would wear this with either really nice pointed nude heels for like an evening look, cocktails and drinks, and then I'd pop it with trainers for a day look, or maybe I wouldn't really wear it on the beach. I would be so hot, but maybe some sandals in warmer weather. But this is so warm. This is like heavy duty winter. It's a wrap! I am literally melting like an ice cube. I'm so sorry if I'm hot, sweaty, and a little bit frizzy right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything's linked underneath. Also, there's loads of other haul videos I've done recently that maybe YouTube hasn't told you about, so head over to my channel, have a look at them, let me know what your favourite items were, and it would mean so much if you clicked the subscribe button, because it really helps me out. And also, come say hi on Instagram and Twitter. I would love to have you over there. Just come over and let me know that YouTube sent you. Big love, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.